In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the too many concurrent requests error in ChatGPT to get your conversations back on track. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate to the ChatGPT homepage. If the site is acting up or giving you errors, the first thing I like to do is clear the site-specific data. I'll click on the connection security icon right next to the URL in the address bar. From the drop-down menu, I'll select Site Settings. This opens up a new Chrome Settings tab specifically for ChatGPT. Here, I can see the usage data and cookies currently stored. I'll click the Delete Data button. A confirmation pop-up appears, and I'll click Delete again to clear everything out. Now that the data is cleared, I'll head back to the ChatGPT tab. I'll click on that same security icon in the address bar again, but this time I'll select Cookies and Site Data. From here, I click on Manage on-Device Site Data. This shows me all the individual data entries from embedded sites like Google and OpenAI. I'm going to go through this list one by one and click the trash can icon next to each entry, accounts.google.com, auth.openai.com, and any others listed to make sure there are no lingering session conflicts. Once the list is empty, I'll click Done. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, the next step is to check for conflicting browser extensions. I'll click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the main menu, then I'll navigate down to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. This takes me to a page showing everything I have installed. I'll look through my active extensions, like Adobe Acrobat or VPNs, and toggling them off one by one can help identify if a specific tool is interfering with ChatGPT's connection. Another effective workaround is using incognito mode. I'll click the three dots in the top right again and select New Incognito window. In this fresh, private session, I'll type chatgpt.com into the address bar and hit Enter. Since no previous cookies or extensions are active here, it's a great way to bypass local errors. I'll click Login, select Continue with Google, and enter my email address. After clicking Next, I'll type in my password and hit Next again. Once the login process completes and redirects me, I'm back in the interface, ready to go. Finally, if you are still having issues, we can try flushing your DNS settings. I'll go down to the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen and type CMD to find the command prompt. I'll click to open it. Once the black terminal window appears, I'll type ipconfig flush DNS and hit Enter. You'll see a message saying it successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next, I'll type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter. Note that this specific command requires administrator elevation to run fully, but it's a powerful way to reset your network catalog. I'll close the command prompt and head back to my browser. I'll give the page one more refresh, log back in with my account, and the too many concurrent requests error should be completely resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.